Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to send gifts in Evony. If you want to know how you can easily send gifts to your friends or any other player on Evony, then this video is for you. Simply open your Evony application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Now, from the options, tap on Friends. Go and tap on your Friends tab and select one of the friends from the list you would want to send the gift to. Simply go ahead and tap on the friend's profile. And then, once you open up the person's profile, tap on Details at the bottom right. You'll be able to see a green Send Gift button at the bottom left on the next page. Tap on it and then select an item you'd like to give. To send gift to other players on the same server, you'll need royal waybills. You can find them in the item section under special tabs. If you've got no royal waybills, you won't be able to send gifts to anyone. That is how you can easily send gifts in Evony. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.